Hey everybody, Vincent Lee here, and I just wanted to do a video real quick talking about the market. If you've been following the stock market at all, if you've been following the news, if you haven't been living under a rock for the last couple of weeks, you would have seen that the stock market and just businesses and the economy as a whole has been very, very bearish. Bearish meaning slow and selling off and definitely losing value. If you followed like just companies like Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, a couple of weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago, these companies were hitting record lows that they hadn't seen since, since President Trump has started his candidacy. President Trump, at one point, the market had completely lost all of the gains that it had seen since Trump's candidacy. The stock market had hit lows, had the biggest drops, and recoveries since, decades ago, guys. So just massive, massive headlines, massive news, massive movement, extreme volatility, extreme price action. Directional changes back and forth. You're seeing things hit highs as high as 10, 15% in one day and then dropping and selling off. As miraculously. So the big thing I wanted to make this video about is, as an investor, as an entrepreneur, how do you take advantage of an opportunity, especially trading in the market? We've seen last week and with this week, the market start to recover. The market's now around $8,300, I believe. Yep, like $8,300. It hit lows of 6,600. And this was, guys, this was not too long ago. This was weeks ago, like a week ago or something like that. So because of that, and with the market recovering, we do not know how long the market is going to continue to go up. I want you to really have that cemented inside your brain. Yes, was the market bullish before, and it was like trading around $9,000 at one point, the Nasdaq? Does that mean it has to recover there? No, it does not. What do we know right now? We know that there's huge travel restrictions. We know that this quarantine and this social distancing hasn't gotten any better yet. There hasn't been any type of different news coming out. The best, most optimistic news we've gotten about coronavirus right now is that some states are starting to see the hospitalizations. Forgive me if I brutalize that word and you're in the medical industry, but we have started to see hospitals numbers of new patients start to, I think, stabilize. They said, I read stabilize and even decrease in some areas. So that's about the most positive thing that we're getting. That, and of course, all of the money that the Fed is pumping into the market with the stimulus package, with all of the incentives for small businesses, with how they've extended unemployment to the many, just how they've made it now was it's very easy now for you to get unemployment. They even stretched it to self-employed, I believe. So just all the incentives that you got if you're a business owner, all the different loan opportunities that you can take advantage of, just all of these things, grants that they're throwing out there. The Fed is literally printing money and throwing it into people's hands, throwing it into the market to try to flatten this curve that the coronavirus is starting to cause. This curve that's caused. So I wanted to make this video because I want you to, of course, watch the market, of course, follow the news, of course, be that opportunity seeker, and do not be in fear, but also ask yourself big questions. When will we see a vaccine? Can the market sustain this growth that it's having, this reversal that it's having, where now this is the second week that we're going to see the market close in the green? Of course, we'll see how it goes tomorrow, which is Friday. I'm hoping that the market continues to recover. And that people can get a lot of their money back into a 401ks like they have been. But I want you to remember, we have not heard anything about a vaccine yet. We have not heard any improvements about this social distancing. And then two, you got to start asking yourself questions. With people being able to host the virus, not have any symptoms, not have any signs, but can still get other people contagious, what contingency plans are they going to have in place to make sure we can all properly integrate safely back into, public, back into socialization? What are they going to do? How are they going to fix that? There's just so many things that we kind of need the answer on before we can really know that things are going to go back and be greater than they were before. I need you to pay attention to that, because when you're trading and when you're making your trades, you're making your investment plan, you need to have all of those factors in your mind, and you need to trade off of real facts, not wishful thinking. A lot of times when we want to take advantage of an opportunity, we're wishful. We're saying, oh, hey, I want to get into the market because it sold off. I think the dip was over. We're seeing the reversal now. We need to take advantage. We need to have, FOMO, fear of missing out. We need to get in now before the market corrects and it goes up to the moon and we miss our flight. Guys, you have no idea when how much this is gonna last, how long this bull run is gonna last, how long we're gonna keep seeing this reversal in these green days until we see a correction in the market. My opinion, I think it absolutely is due. I think a lot of the green that we're seeing in the market right now is coming from the optimism, from all the incentives that the government is giving, all the bonuses and the cash and the capital that they're giving to businesses, all the money that they're putting in the market. I believe that's a lot of the reason why we're seeing this recovery. But I am not confident that this is 100% grounds for a full recovery that we've seen from the beginning of this coronavirus for it to make the highs that I was making before. I'm not confident in that until I see a vaccine, until I see news that is coming out letting us know, hey, you need to get ready. This is about to end. That's when I'm going to really scream at you to go ahead and get ready for the market to keep going up. But for now, I'm watching it. I'm studying it. Am I optimistic and happy for the people that made money, and got money back into their 401ks, people that got money back into their accounts, people that got money back into their portfolio? Yeah, I'm very happy for you and congratulations. But I want you to be cognizant of the direction. Trade with the direction of the market, not against it. Questioning why you're investing, your investment strategy, and stay involved, guys. Make sure that you're watching the news. Make sure that you're watching your mentors, whoever you may be me, maybe somebody else. Whoever you are, make sure you're watching them, and then make sure you gauge your own opinion. Don't just take it for what I got to say. Don't just sit around and wait for me to post a video saying you need to buy. You need to be actively engaged in your own investment portfolio, doing your own research so you can form your own opinion, so you can make your own educated trade. That's the purpose of this video, to warn you. Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of recovery, but we don't know how long that's going to last. And I feel like, honestly, we're due for a pullback at this point. So, like I said, if this resonated with you, if you like it, please like the video, guys. If I earned your like, if this resonated with you, please like it. Please share this video to somebody that you feel like can use the information. Please leave a comment if you have a question, if you want to see a video, want to hear me talk about something, or if you just think everything I say is BS and you just want to call me out on it in public. Please do that too. Any type of communication is welcome. I just want to engage with you, touch you, feel you, love up on you. I hope you're having a great year. Don't get it twisted. This is absolutely the best time to trade in the stock market. There's never been this much opportunity. There's people literally making millions of dollars. There's billionaires and millionaires being made. And by the time this smoke lifts from this coronavirus and the lights are back on, you're going to have a whole new fleet of millionaires and billionaires made just from this virus. Just during this pandemic, people making money. Don't get that twisted. There's a lot of people making money. You deserve to be one of them. Take time to learn. Take time to teach yourself. Click the link in below. If you're on my Instagram, send me a message. Click the description I have. That first link in down below, that's the course, is going huge sale right now. Take advantage of it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys, and be blessed. Stay optimistic.